Here is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Very easy to use. And once you do open the VPN application, it will ask for connection request. Left the Google stop on OK, and you're pretty much good to go. But I'm also tap on cancel for this video. But as you can see here, once you're connected, you pretty much will be given a added time. You'll be getting 1 hour of free connection time, and you pretty much can add up to 90 minutes to 120 minutes added connection time. At the top here is pretty much where you go to select your servers. All of these servers are pretty much just United States and Canada servers, so nothing much for the server section. And the proxy option is pretty much you selecting which application you want to get a VPN connection, which application you do not want to get a VPN connection. So let's say you may not want, for example, this application here to get the VPN connection. All you have to do is just tap on it, and once the green dot is removed from here, you won't need to get the VPN connection or anything like that. So that's very pretty much it for that section. And as well, if you do go in the fixed option, once you're connected, you have this option here where it says fixed. You can tap on that option if you're getting slow speeds or anything like that with the VPN, and it will pretty much close the application, reopen it, and it should be able to connect without any problem, and it should fix the problem over. So yeah, that's really pretty much it for the application. Over this section here is pretty much the app's proxy, which pretty much, as I said before, is the proxy settings here that I've just recently explained. So very easy VPN application to use, and if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if it can help you. See you in the next one.